With WpRentals, you get 24 fully built demo websites you can import with a single click, saving hours of setup time. Each demo is a complete, ready-to-use layout that you can adapt to your business, from apartments and villas to cabins, boats, offices, or hourly rentals. Once a demo is imported, you can edit everything visually in Elementor or WP Bakery. Fonts, colors, images, and structure can all be adjusted through drag and drop controls with no coding required. Each demo includes a complete site setup, not just a homepage. You can also mix and match elements between demos. For example, you can use the homepage design from one demo and the property layout from another. This flexibility lets you launch quickly while keeping full creative control. The demo collection covers a wide range of use cases, from motorhome rentals and ski chalets to event spaces, co-working offices, and full multi-owner marketplaces. Whether you manage one property or hundreds, there's a starting point built for your type of business. Because every demo is pre-styled and connected to the WpRentals booking system, you don't start from zero. Import the content, update your branding, replace the demo images, and your site is ready to go live. This approach dramatically reduces launch time and setup complexity. You pick a demo close to your niche, customize it visually, and publish a professional rental website in hours instead of weeks. With 24 demos ready to use, WpRentals gives you a library of fully functional websites built around real-world rental scenarios. Each one is fully integrated with listings, booking forms, dashboards, and payment flow. Everything you need to start renting immediately.